I'm gonna give you a product that strikes once. Streamline low wind resistant shield, quiet and fuel saving, 2600 cooling capacity. New energy in winter squirrel compressor with jet enthalpy technology. 8-stage wraparound vibration damping. 20,000 plus squirrel centimeter of aluminum condenser, 1500 plus centimeter pure copper tube evaporator, internal and external 3 brushless motors, low noise and high speed performance is stronger, 3-way wind blowing mouth, 360 automatic surround wind swing, LED operating table with reading light, more comfortable to use, more convenient to operate. The first dual filtration of air in light and out light. The air is cleaner and more convenient to clean.